Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special for you, delicious and easy to make chicken breast recipes. We'll be exploring some mouth-watering pechugas de pollo recetas. So, let's get right into it. To start, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for these fantastic chicken breast recipes. For simplicity, we'll be showcasing two popular variations today. For our first recipe, you'll need chicken breasts, olive oil, garlic cloves, lemon, paprika, salt and pepper, fresh parsley for garnish. And for our second recipe, you'll need chicken breasts, soy sauce, honey, ginger, garlic cloves, sesame oil, green onions for garnish. Let's start with our first recipe, a simple and flavorful garlic lemon chicken. Step 1. Preparing chicken. Begin by seasoning your chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and paprika. Make sure to coat them evenly on both sides. Step 2. Searing chicken. In a hot pan, add olive oil and sear the chicken breasts until they get a golden brown color. This will lock in those delicious flavors. Step 3. Adding flavor. Next, add minced garlic and squeeze fresh lemon juice over the chicken. Let it simmer for a few minutes to absorb all those fantastic flavors. Step 4. Finishing touch. Finish it off by garnishing with fresh parsley. Your garlic lemon chicken is ready to be served. Now, let's move on to our second recipe, a sweet and savory soy ginger chicken. Step 1. Marinating chicken. Marinate your chicken breasts with a mixture of soy sauce, honey, grated ginger, minced garlic, and a touch of sesame oil. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes for maximum flavor. Step 2. Cooking chicken. In a hot pan, cook the marinated chicken until it's perfectly cooked and caramelized. Step 3. Garnish and serve. Garnish with chopped green onions for a burst of freshness. Your soy ginger chicken is now ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, two delectable pechugas de pollo recetas that you can easily recreate at home. Which one will you be trying first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.